Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the right protein and prepping it correctly. Pick 80% lean versus 90% lean beef for juiciness, or swap in turkey, chicken, or plant-based alternatives. Weigh portions to 120-150 g each so cooking is predictable. Combine meat with minimal binders, 1 egg or 1/4 cup oats, plus 1 teaspoon salt and your spices. Mix just until combined. Once done, form patties gently. Make a shallow dimple to prevent bulging, then chill for 15-30 minutes before cooking. You now focus on cooking methods that save calories and preserve flavor. Preheat a non-stick pan, cast iron, or grill to medium-high, roughly 190-200 degrees C on a grill, so you get a quick sear. Sear each side for 2 to 3 minutes, then reduce heat to finish without burning. Use a thermometer to reach 68-71 degrees C for safe doneness. Don't press the patties, because you'll squeeze out juices. Once done, rest them 3 to 5 minutes, so carryover cooking completes and juices redistribute. You finish by assembling smart and knowing how to fix common issues. Choose whole grain buns or crisp lettuce wraps and pile on vegetables for fiber and vitamins. Swap heavy sauces for yogurt-based dressings or mashed avocado. Use 1 slice of cheese, roughly 15 g, only if desired for flavor. If the burger seems dry, add moisture with sauce and avoid reheating. For next time, increase fat content slightly or shorten cooking time. If it's under-seasoned, sprinkle finishing salt and rest briefly before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.